Meet Alex. Alex just turned 62. He is a high school teacher who's always on the go, but lately, Alex hasn't been his usual happy self. 2 weeks ago, Alex was started on dialysis and has been spending many of his days in bed. Like Alex, more than 100,000 people go on dialysis every year, each of them suffering from end-stage renal disease. Many things can cause end-stage renal disease, such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Over time, your kidneys deteriorate, and you need something to help your kidneys do their job. In the United States, many people go on dialysis. Think of dialysis as a helper kidney. Because your kidneys cannot do enough work, dialysis does some of the work for them. Let's take a look at Alex again. Alex was diagnosed with diabetes 15 years ago, and his kidneys have failed over time. His doctors told him he had to be put on dialysis, or else he would die from organ failure. Since then, Alex's days haven't been as bright. He hasn't been able to attend his granddaughter Amy's past 2 dance recitals. His 30-year marriage anniversary was cut short by his dialysis schedule. And his daughter Linda's college graduation is coming up. He can only hope that his dialysis treatment doesn't get in the way. But did you know that not only does dialysis take away from your personal life, it drastically decreases your life expectancy? Every moment Alex spends on dialysis reduces the amount of time he can expect to spend with the rest of his family. What if Alex could do something else? Has your doctor spoken with you about a transplant? With a transplant, you will be getting a new, healthy kidney. And with your new kidney, you won't have to spend hours a day in the hospital. Most importantly, you'll have a working kidney that can make you independent again. Here at the Miami Transplant Institute, we make it easy for you to get the kidney transplant process started. You can get a transplant from a friend, a family member, or an anonymous donor. The process is simple and straightforward. If you have a friend who is willing to donate, we'll run some blood tests to determine whether or not he or she is a good match for you. If we determine that your friend's kidney is a good match, we can proceed with a transplant. You can also choose to get a kidney from a family member. Getting a kidney from a family member can be easier and is usually the best option. Once you have a willing donor, we will perform the same blood test to see if your family member is a match for you. More often than not, because of genetic relations, they'll be a match. Even if your family member's kidney is not compatible, MTI provides a unique matching system connected with hospitals around the country called Paired Kidney Exchange, which could help you find a matching kidney sooner. Simply put, if you have a family member or friend who wants to donate but is incompatible, and there's another pair who's in the same situation, we'll try and see if the other donor matches you. This way, you can still get a matching kidney even if your loved one's kidney doesn't match. If you don't have a family member or friend who is willing to donate or has a matching kidney, you can choose to obtain a kidney from an anonymous donor. You will be placed on a transplant waiting list until one becomes available. Depending on your blood type, the average wait time in South Florida is about 1 to 2 years. But don't despair. Though many patients may feel discouraged by the long wait time, our staff at the Miami Transplant Institute makes the process an easy step for you to take towards a lifetime of benefits. Once a match is found, you'll be notified right away. A few short hours later, you'll have the kidneys you started with, plus the additional donor kidney that was transplanted. Typically, your own kidneys are not removed unless they're causing trouble. If you received a kidney from a friend or a family member, he or she can rest assured that there are generally few or no long-term problems, and many donors live a relatively normal and happy life with one kidney. Your doctor will discuss with you the steps you should take to keep your new kidney healthy for years to come, and will make sure that you have all the care you need. Remember our friend Alex? After he learned about the benefits of having a kidney transplant, he quickly chose to be put on the waiting list. This is Alex now, more than a year later, saying cheese at his daughter Linda's college graduation. He was able to get an anonymous donor kidney and is happy and healthy. Ask your doctor how you can get the transplant process started. If you're in South Florida, call the Miami Transplant Institute today and spend more of your life with the people you love and on the moments that truly matter.